2020 GMC Acadia. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.